Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the NET SDK is installed and your path exposes .NET. This is the foundation. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and install the C# extension. This provides language services and debugging. Make a new folder and use .NET New Console to scaffold a minimal app. This creates program. CS and a project file so VS Code detects the workspace. Make sure to open the folder, not just a file, so extensions can initialize and discover the project context. Now you restore dependencies and build to ensure the project compiles without errors. Use .NET Restore then .NET Build. Once successful, set breakpoints in program. CS where you want to inspect state. Open the Run view. If VS Code prompts to add required assets, accept and create a launch. JSON, this maps the debugger to the NET runtime. Finally, use .NET Run for quick runs or press F5 to launch under the debugger so you can inspect variables, and watch call stacks. Complete the workflow by running .NET Test to validate behavior and .NET Publish when you need deployable artifacts. If things go wrong, check the output and Omni-Sharp logs inside VS Code to spot missing SDKs or project load errors. Make sure the workspace uses the correct SDK by running .NET Info, and if the debugger won't attach, regenerate the VS Code launch. JSON and tasks. JSON by removing them and letting VS Code recreate assets. One quick tip: restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.